I turned a regular 9 volts battery into a rechargeable version with a small display. First, I opened the battery. And removed all the inside. Next, I started on electronic part. Using modules like a boost converter, a charging module, a mini voltmeter, and a 3.7 volts battery. First, I removed the connector to make everything easier to fit inside the case. Then I soldered the wires and connected all the modules together. After testing everything to make sure it worked properly, I cut openings for the components and marked the inside of the battery case. So you can see that our battery became very unusual. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.